Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about separation of variables. This topic is under the differential equations. And this math is intended for the students who are majoring in mathematics and sophomore engineering students. So I have here number 1, x times cosine squared y dx plus tangent y dy is equal to 0. So need to separate the variables. So for this function, so I need to divide this one by cosine squared y. And then this one also cosine squared y. And then the last will be cosine squared y. So this will be crossed out. So I have x dx plus tangent y. I can write this one times 1 over cosine squared y dy. And then this is equal to 0. So note that 1 over cosine squared y in trigonometry, this will be equivalent to secant squared y. Okay? So need to replace this one. So I have here x dx plus tangent y, and then this will be times secant squared y dy is equal to 0. Sorry for the inconvenience because I have only limited space on my whiteboard. So I need to copy this one, x dx, then plus tangent y, or arrange this one. So the proper way to arrange this one is secant squared y, then tangent times tangent y dy. And then this will be equal to 0. So integrating both sides. So integral of x dx plus integral of secant squared y times tangent y dy, and then integral of a number which is 0. So this will be x squared over 2, then plus. Okay, take note there are two trigonometric function in the function in integration. So need to have the assumption let u will be tangent y. And then derivative of tangent y, which is du, this will be secant squared y dy. So I have now x squared over 2 plus integral of, this one is my u, and then secant squared, this one and this one is du. Then this will be constant. Integral of 0 is constant. Integral of a number is arbitrary constant. So this will be x squared over 2 plus u squared over 2. This is equal to c. Okay, so x squared over 2 plus u is tangent, right? Tangent y. So this will be tangent y squared over 2, and then this will be equal to 2. To eliminate the denominator, so multiply 2 both sides. So this will be x squared plus tangent squared y is equals to 2c. Or I can write this one in my final answer, x squared plus tangent squared y is equals to c squared. So this is my answer. That's all.